Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. Today we are going to discuss a new cue card, that is, describe a city you have visited and would like to visit again in the future. The bullet points are name of the city, when did you visit, what you liked about it, and why you want to visit again. The answer is India is a diverse country, so there are various cities to explore. Although I have a busy schedule due to my work, whenever I get a chance to visit new places, I usually seize the opportunity. Here I would like to talk about a particular place which I visited recently and would love to go there again. The name of the city is Chandigarh. It is the capital of two neighboring states, Punjab and Haryana. I vividly remember a couple of months ago, our entire family was free at home during the weekends. We all wanted to do something for our enjoyment. So we all decided to visit Chandigarh. It was for the first time that I was visiting that place. We started our journey in the wee hours to avoid traffic and reached there at 9 am. As soon as I entered the city, I was astonished to see the beauty of the place. I liked that city for many reasons. Firstly, my father told me that it is the only planned city of Punjab which has developed owing to the efforts of the citizens. This is divided into sectors, and every sector has the facilities of public parks and gardens. Also, this city is the hub of education. There are several universities in that city, including one of the most renowned universities, namely Punjab University, Chandigarh. The major thing which caught my attention is that people use the renewable sources of energy in Chandigarh. That is why it has less pollution as compared to other cities of Punjab. According to a survey, it is the cleanest city of my state. It attracts many tourists every year. We also visited some famous places there, such as Rose Garden, Rock Garden, Sukhna Lake, and shopping malls. We really enjoyed visiting Chandigarh, and I would definitely love to go there again in order to visit some other famous places which we could not explore due to the shortage of time. Now we will discuss some follow up questions. Our first question is, are cities developing fast today? The answer is, of course, every city is developing at a fast pace in the present scenario. There are a plethora of amenities for the people, so every city is developing in terms of education, transportation, medical, recreational facilities, and so on. Our second question is, what facilities are available now that were not available before? The answer is, well, there are a number of facilities that people enjoy today. Firstly, the entertainment sources have increased. All are having electronic gadgets by which they tend to enjoy their daily life. They like to browse internet as per their choice and learn many things with the help of the internet. Also, there is a development in the field of medicine. Moreover, transportation system has improved a lot by which people can cover long distances in no time. These facilities were not available in the past. Our third question is, why is remarkable infrastructure important in the cities? The answer is, as per me, it is the backbone of the metropolitan area's development. If a city has good infrastructure, only then people would be able to grow economically and mentally. Remarkable infrastructure ensures business, trade, safety, and development for the cities. So, it is of utmost importance to have a good infrastructures for the cities. The fourth question is, why do youngsters love living in the cities? The answer is, well, there can be several reasons for this trend among youngsters. First of all, cities have more job opportunities for them, which is definitely not possible in rural areas. Moreover, young generation can enjoy more facilities in urban areas. That is why they give preference to live in cities as compared to villages. Our next question is, are people living in the countryside more friendly than those living in the cities? The answer is, I do not think so. Being a city dweller, I know many persons who have amiable nature. I would say people in the city have a busy life, so they don't get much time to socialize. On the other hand, those who live in villages get enough time to communicate with each other. This can be the reason that some people think that citizens are not friendly. It is just a matter of time. Residing in a city or a village has nothing to do with the nature of the person. The sixth question is the environment in the countryside healthier as compared to cities? The answer is this is true. Cities are confronting more issues of environmental degradation rather than villages, as there are more factories and more use of private vehicles in the urban areas. Cities are becoming more polluted with each passing day. Our seventh question is, what problems are arising in the cities? The answer is traffic is the major concern of most of the cities, which is jeopardizing the life of the citizens. There are more accidents on the roads, leading to fatalities every day. Traffic is also the reason of pollution, which is leading to many health problems. So, these issues need to be overcome as soon as possible.